Now let's start creating the PSD by designing the header section. We can see our canvas is 1600 pixels wide. Then our sections must have the same width. Now let's create a rectangle for the header background. It should be 1600 by 100 pixels. Let's align it to the top. Go to Move tool, select the rectangle and press Ctrl A to select the entire canvas. Now let's use the alignment tools. Align horizontal centers and align top edges. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Let's change the rectangle fill color for now. Let's select this gray color. I already designed the logo using two strong fonts and a simple shape designed by the pen tool. You can design your own logo if you want. Now we place it in the header. Select File, place Embedded, go to Images folder and select the logo.png. Let's resize it and move it inside the header. Let's align it. First select Logo and then the rectangle. Now align vertical centers and also left edges. We want the logo about 60 pixels from the left edge. Then select Logo, press and hold Shift, and press the right arrow 6 times. Now the logo is 60 pixels from the left edge. Now it's time to design the nav. Press T for the Type tool. Let's zoom in a little bit. Press and hold space, then click and drag to pan the document. Click somewhere inside the header. Type the navbar items. Now let's make a 10-character space between the items. Now select the empty space and paste between the items. Let's paste the empty space after the last item too. And also write the vertical bar. Vertical bar is the second function of the backslash key and usually is located above the enter key. Now we create the social icons. Let's create a circle with a diameter of 40 pixels. Let's change its fill color to white. And let's start type inside it. Press Ctrl H to hide the extras. And for now, write F for Facebook. But how we can use Phantasm characters? Let's go to Phantasm cheat sheet. Phantasm.com/cheat sheet. Here you can find all the free characters from Phantasm and use them simply by copy and paste. Let's go to the brands and find Facebook. Press Ctrl C, go to Photoshop, and replace the character. Now you need to select Phantasm. Phantasm brands regular. Let's center align the character inside the circle. Select both, press V, and align horizontal and vertical centers. Now press Ctrl G to group the two layers and name it Facebook. Let's duplicate it 2 times. For this, press Ctrl J 2 times. Select the last one and move it to the right by 100 pixels. Use the arrow keys for doing this. Press and hold the Shift key and press the right arrow 10 times. Now let's select all of them and distribute their horizontal centers. Now let's change the characters. Find Twitter, press Ctrl C, use Type tool, Ctrl V. Let's change the other one too. Find LinkedIn, press Ctrl C, and replace the character. We need to center align the characters again. Let's do this. Let's rename the icons too. Select all three folders and group them and name it Socials. Let's align socials and nav items. Group them, name it navbar. Select the navbar and the rectangle and align them vertically. Also align right edges. Let's zoom out a little bit. Now we do the same thing as we did with the logo. Select the navbar and move it away 60 pixels from the right edge. Hold down Shift and press the left arrow 6 times. Using the Move tool, select all three social icon backgrounds. For this, click on one, hold down Shift key, and select the other two. Change their opacity to 30%. Now let's select the characters and the navbar and change their color to white. Press Ctrl 0 to fit the canvas. The only thing remaining is to correct the space between the nav and the social icons. Let's zoom in a little bit. And using the rectangular marquee tool, measure the distance between the items. It's 28 pixels, right? Press Ctrl D to deselect. Select the nav, press V for the Move tool, hold down the Shift key, and use the right arrow key to stick the nav to social icons. That's it. Press the left arrow key while holding down the Shift key 3 times. Now release the Shift key and press the right arrow key 2 times. Okay, that's it. Press Ctrl 0 to fit the canvas. Now the header is complete, and in the next lecture we'll start designing the header section.